We all want a fit body, but losing extra fat is a difficult task. It's unsettling how we break sweat to shed pounds but still struggle with that stubborn belly fat that just refuses to go away. That pouch surrounding our belly is reminiscent of all our delicious food escapades. While consuming those fatty, oily and cheesy foods filled our heart with pleasure, it also filled our belly with layers of fat. We all know how very difficult it is to get rid of it. Even after a number of crunches and hours of fasting, we may not achieve our weight loss goals entirely. What if we tell you that by just drinking a tasty juice you can blast off that belly fat? That's true. This green juice made with cucumber and parsley can speed up your weight loss journey and can show extraordinary results if consumed regularly. Stomach-flattening cucumber-parsley juice has taken the world of fitness by storm, and it is believed that drinking it daily at bedtime can decrease bloating around the belly like magic. Cucumber and parsley make a deadly combination when it comes to tummy fat. Cucumber and parsley are both popular health-giving vegetables which, aside from assisting in weight loss, provide a lot of other benefits for overall health wellness. Cucumber has high water and fiber content and relatively no calories at all. In fact, one cucumber has only 45 calories, and it helps in burning excessive calories by speeding up the digestion process. Parsley is known for its mild diuretic properties, vitamins content and high minerals. It not just enhances flavors, but also reduces water retention and targets fat accumulated in the body. Cucumber parsley juice is simple to make and is super tasty. Ingredients you'll need are 1 cucumber diced, a bunch of parsley, ½ teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Start by combing all the ingredients and blend together in a juice till it all turns into a chunk-free liquid form. The best part about the juice is that it will taste delicious while you gulp your way to a slimmer body. Drink this juice daily at night, at least an hour after dinner, to reap its full weight loss benefits. Our metabolism is slowest at night, which is why we are urged to eat light for dinner, as our digestion system is not that active as it is during the day. This tasty concoction of cucumber, parsley, lemon and ginger boosts the digestion system and breaks down food rapidly while you sleep peacefully. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share and subscribe.